teacher. In this chapter, we will study about mail merge and how to start a mail merge. What is mail merge? It is a way to create a batch of documents that are personalized in each. Mail merge let us create a batch of documents that personalized for each receipt. A form letter might be personalized to address each receipt by name. A data source, list, spreadsheet, or database is associated with the document. Mail merge involves 3 basic steps. First is creating a data source. हम data source को create कर सकते हैं. Data source contains information that will vary or differ, like names or address, like title, first name, last name, address, and city. Title message for Aruna Sharma, Indranagar, or city Dharan. Like this, what is this? This is how to create a data. Then creating a main document. The main document contains common text and merge field. It is a placeholder that will receive information from the data source during merging process. Now merging the data source with the main document. अब आपको merge करना है data source को main document के साथ, तो आप कैसे करेंगे? It merges the data source with the main document. It produces final letters with individual name and address. ये क्या produce करता है? Final letters इसके साथ with individual names and address. Individual names or addresses. Now starting mail merge. Click on the mailing tab. Click on the start mail merge option in the start mail merge book. A drop down list appear. ऐसे आपको एक drop down list दिखेगी. Click on the step by step mail merge wizard. आपको किस पे क्लिक करना है? Step by step mail merge wizard option. The mail merge task pane appears on the right side of the window. Select the type of document, letters, email, messages, envelopes, labels, or direct. You wish to create under select document type. To create letter, आप किस पे क्लिक करोगे? Letter radio button. You will click on letter radio button. Click on the next starting document link present at the bottom of the mail merge task. जो किस पे होगी? Mail merge task. Now step 6. Select the type of set up your letter under the selecting starting document. Click on the use current document radio button. The current document becomes a main. और जो current document है आपका वो क्या बन जाएगा? Main document. The current document becomes main document. Step 6. Click on the next select receipt link present at the bottom of the mail merge text. Step 8. Now specify the location of the data source. Select the type of new list radio button. Now click on the create link. अब आप किस पे क्लिक करोगे? Create a link पे. The link will be created like this. ठीक है, ऐसे आपका कर्सर आ जाएगा और आप इस पे क्या कर सकते हो? टाइप कर. Step 10. The new address list dialog box appear on the screen. Type the required details about the receipt in the text. आप क्या करोगे? टाइप करोगे required details about the receipt in the text. To add another receipt, click on the new entry. After you have added information about the receipt, click on OK button. आप किस पे क्लिक करोगे? OK button पे क्लिक करो. Like this, your data will be entered. The save address list dialog box appears. Type a name of receipt list in the file name text box. Click on the save. और आप किस पे क्लिक करोगे? Save button पे क्लिक करोगे and your file will be saved over there. Step 15. Mail merge receipt dialog box open. When you are through, click on OK. ठीक है, आपका mail merge receipt जो ऑप्शन है वो आपका ओपन हो जाएगा और आप क्या कर सकते हो? जैसे आप OK करोगे तो ये यहाँ पे ऐड हो जाएगा. Click on the next, write your letter link present at the bottom of the task pane. And then what you will type a content. जो भी आपका current document का content है वो आप लिखोगे and add the merge field in the current document. Place the insertion point where you want to insert the receipt information. यहाँ पे आप क्या कर सकते हो? receipt की information को insert. Click on the address block and link in the task. आप click करोगे address block पे और उसको किससे लिंक करोगे? टास्क पे. Like this, your letter will be written. To insert address block, dialog box appear. After selecting desired check boxes, then what you will do? You will click OK button. The address block merge will get added to the main document. और वो main document पे क्या हो गई? Add हो जाए. Step 21. To insert salutation for the receipt, place the insertion point where you want to insert salutation. and you will click on the greeting line link in the task. अब greeting line will link in the task में उस पे क्या करोगे click. The address block merge field gets added to the main document. और आपकी जो address block है वो आपकी mail field पे क्या हो जाएगी add. Step number 22. The insert greeting line dialog box appears. Select appropriate greeting line format and you will click on the OK button. आप किस पे क्लिक करोगे? OK बटन पे address block merge field gets added to the main document. और आपकी जो address merge field है वो main document पे क्या हो जाएगी? Add हो जाएगी. Now click on the next preview your letter link present at the bottom of the task. आप preview करोगे letter link को जो आपके कहाँ present है? Bottom of the task. Step 24. You can preview the letters after the data source file is merged with the main document. The preview the letter one by one and click on the arrow button. और आप किस पे click करोगे? Arrow button. Finally, the complete merging process. Click to the next complete merge link present at the bottom of the task. You can select either print और आप क्या कर सकते हो? Edit भी कर सकते हो individual letter. Step number 27. When you select either of the option, merge to printer dialog box appear, asking you to specify records you want to read. Select the appropriate option and you can click on the OK button. आप appropriate option को select करोगे और आप click कर दोगे OK button. अगर आपको print out निकालना है इस letter को तो आप finish and merge button का use करके निकाल. Identify the following option and write their names. You have to identify these options and write their. Hope you understood the chapter. We have completed the chapter. That's all for today. Thank you.